All right, to start off this week, we're going to do a status check, very much like what we did on 522. Okay, so at that time, I'd given you the option to do a couple different ways of importing an image. I suggest the snipping tool, screen capture, doing the print screen command. But now I really need you to use just this export command. So where export is right in the upper toolbar here, and just scroll down to where it says floor plan. You're going to click on export floor plan, and most likely yours is going to have a check mark down here where this wall dimension is. Remove that check mark, and then in the lower right hand corner, you can just barely see it on my screen, it's going to say download. So you're going to click the download button. When you do that, it's going to download a snapshot over on this side here, and you can just see where mine says snapshot Sunday the 7th, 2020. Okay. And this is the snapshot. This is what we really want, because you notice it's a lot cleaner. What's really nice about this is I can take this image and I can really zoom in and I can see exactly what you have in your plan. I can see where the doors are swinging. I can see the room names. I can see the square footage. I can see the furniture. It's all pretty cool when it's done like that. So what I'm going to ask you to do is you're going to take this here and all you're going to do is right click on it and you're going to say copy, and then you're going to go to the assignment, which is status check 6.8. You're going to right click inside the box and then you're going to say paste. Okay, when you do that, it's going to paste the floor plan in there. If you want to crop it some more to get rid of the extra white space, you can, but it's not the end of the world if you don't do that. It's really okay. There should be a crop tool up here. I'm not seeing it, which makes me think that it's in one of these more commands, but I'm not terribly worried about that right now. I'll be able to crop it when the time comes. There we go. There's the crop command. So I'm going to pull these in. I'm going to pull that in. And then that allows me to take this and just stretch it about as big as I can get it, which makes it easier to read. So please try to do that. The crop tool is right up here. When you click on the image, that should appear. When you click off of the image, that's where it goes away. So you got to click on the image and you'll see the crop tool. Okay, so hopefully you all got that. If you didn't, you can always rewatch this. Adios.